Hello, wonderful learners! Welcome to our spelling and reading adventure. In this lesson, we will learn to spell and read words with a long vowel O sound. Come, spell and read with me. Repeat after me. Coat. C O A T. Let's spell that again. C O A T. Coat. Now let's read the sentence. The man wears a coat. The man wears a coat. Boat. B O A T. Let's spell the word again. B O A T. Boat. Read the words after me. The man is on a boat. The man is on a boat. Goat. G O A T. Let's say that again. G O A T. Goat. Let's read the sentence. The goat eats grass. The goat eats grass. Moat. M O A T. Let's spell the word one more time. M O A T. Moat. Let's read the sentence. The castle has a moat. The castle has a moat. Row. R O W. Let's spell it again. R O W. Row. Read the words after me. The kids row the boat. The kids row the boat. Bow. B O W. Let's spell that again. B O W. Bow. Let's read the sentence. Kate has A big bow. Kate has a big bow. Show. S H O W. Let's spell the word again. S H O W. Show. Read the words after me. Dane sings in the show. Dane sings in the show. Rope. R O P E. Let's spell that again. R O P E. Rope. Now let's read the sentence. The rope is long. The rope is long. Cone. C O N E. Let's spell that again. C O N E. Cone. Read the words after me. I have ice cream in a cone. I have ice cream in a cone. Bone. B O N E. Let's spell the word one more time. B O N E. Bone. Let's read the sentence. The dog likes the bone. The dog likes the bone. Hole. P O L E. Let's spell that again. P O L E. Pole. Read the words after me. The flag is on the pole. The flag is on the pole. Hole. H O L E. Let's spell the word one more time. H O L E. Hole. Read the words after me. The mole is in the hole. The mole is in the hole. Home. H O M E. Let's spell that again. H O M E. Home. Let's read the words. Mike went home. Mike went home. Dome. D O M E. Let's spell that again. D O M E. Dome. Read the words after me. The dome is big. The dome is big. Phone. P H O N E. Let's spell the word again. P H O N E. Phone. Let's read the sentence. The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. Toad. T O A D. Let's spell that again. T O A D. Toad. Read the words after me. The toad is green. The toad is green. Road. R O A D. Let's spell the word one more time. R O A D. Road. Let's read the sentence. The road is wide. The road is wide. Snow. S N O W. Let's spell that again. S N O W. Snow. Read the words after me. The snow is cold. The snow is cold. Crow. C R O W. Let's spell the word again. C R O W. Crow. Let's read the sentence. The crow is black. The crow is black. Grow. G R O W. Let's spell that again. G R O W. Grow. Read the words after me. The tree grows tall. The tree grows tall. Awesome job, children! You did it! Remember to always practice so you can read and spell well. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please click like and subscribe.